Hey guys, it's Jared here from National Garage, here to talk about the E964M car visor remote control made by Merlin Garage Doors. The Merlin E964M has 4 buttons, which means it can open up to 4 different garage door or gate openers. As it's a visor remote control, it'll sit on the sun visor of your vehicle, which means it's not on your keyring. It's also compatible with both the Security Plus and Security Plus 2.0 garage door openers. It replaces the older E943 and E940M visor remotes, as well as the C940 and C943 visor remotes. The E964M comes with a 12-month warranty, which covers it from failure due to manufacturer fault. To see a full list of compatible garage door openers and gate openers, head on over to our website. We list all compatible openers in our listing description. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions at all, head on over to our website. You can give us a call or send us an email. See you next video.